How to set an alarm on your iPhone 8 Plus. First, open the Clock app on your iPhone 8 Plus. At the bottom of the screen, tap the Alarm tab. Next, tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new alarm. Now, scroll the hour and minute wheels to select the time you want the alarm to go off. Below the time, you'll see several options you can customize. Tap Repeat if you want the alarm to ring on specific days of the week. Select the days you want, then tap Back. Next, tap Label if you'd like to give your alarm a custom name, such as morning alarm, workout, or meeting. Then tap Sound to choose the ringtone or alarm sound you want to hear. You can listen to the available sounds and select the one you prefer. And go back. If you'd like the alarm to have a snooze option, make sure the snooze toggle is turned on. This allows you to snooze the alarm for a few minutes when it goes off. Once you've finished customizing everything, tap Save in the top right corner. Your new alarm is now created, and the toggle next to it should already be turned on, which means the alarm is active and ready to ring at the scheduled time. If you ever want to temporarily disable the alarm, simply tap the toggle next to it to turn it off. To edit an existing alarm, select the alarm you want to change, make your changes, and then tap Save. If you no longer need an alarm, select the alarm, tap Delete Alarm, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to set, edit, and manage alarms on your iPhone 8 Plus. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.